never thought of myself as a poet, and had never written a verse until February of 2010. That's when a small bird outside my office window made a large impact in my life. Listen as I share this memory in verse with my first poem, Dancing Birds. Yesterday, I saw a shadow dart across my keyboard. When I turned to look outside the window, I spied upon a sparrow playing in the sun. He was dancing in dramatic fashion across the shrubbery that was his home. I could tell it was a male by his markings. He was busy with his boasting and proud. No longer a fledge, he fluffed his feathers to parade his prowess to all that might adore him. Then he pivoted into a pirouette and pranced most skillfully across the length of a branch and launched himself into flight. Today, the sounds of birds cackling and chirping inside the shrubbery drew me to the window. I could see 3 sparrows engaged in some fun and frolic. Perhaps it was some flirtatious mating ceremony. While most sparrows do look alike, I'm sure that one of them was the dancing bird I'd seen the day before. I watched briefly and smiled, remembering my own courtship and rivals who would fancy my choice as their own. I returned to the monitor, and before I could begin my work, there was a huge thud upon the glass. I gazed outside, and there upon the ground was a small hawk, clutching the dancer in his talons. Tomorrow this bird will not dance. He will not sing or court another, and as sparrows are many, I will no doubt find another to enjoy from this vantage. I chide myself for failing to warn him of the danger. I was simply too busy with my own enjoyment to notice. Now, I close my eyes and reconstruct those moments as I attempt to resurrect the dancing bird and preserve him forever.